So, can you do Pratna Shloka भवति वा?
Should I do that, Mahadev?
आम् करोतु.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै श्रीपाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। धन्यवादः। स्वागतं सुप्रिया भगिनी। अस्तु आरब्धं।
नमस्ते महोदय।
नमस्ते, नमो नमः। एक निमिषम्। There's some problem with sharing. Let me check. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Mahadev.
Which screen you are seeing?
Yeah, I'm seeing the screen.
Pratna Shlok.
Yeah, it's not in the slideshow mode. That's all.
Oh, okay. अस्तु। श्रीता भगिनी भवती पठति वा?
अज्ञानान्धस्य लोकस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्।
एक निमिष। अज्ञानन्दस्य लोकस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीपाणिनये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। अनुवादः।
Salutations to the Guru Panini, who with the brush of knowledge opened the eyes of the world, people who were blinded by the darkness of ignorance. I bow at the feet of the Lord in the form of Sri Shankaracharya, who is the blessing for humanity, who is the shrine for the Shruti, the Smriti and Purana, and who is the abode of compassion.
It's a very famous sloka, Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam. So Jnananjana Shalakaya. So Shalakaya is a brush. With the brush. Jnananjana, with the knowledge, brush of knowledge. Chakshuhu Unmilitam. Chakshuhu ityukte netram. One who open the eyes. Unmilitam means opening of eyes, open the eyes. So lokasya, ajnanandasya lokasya. The world was covered or blinded by the darkness. And then Panini, with his all the divine power, with his knowledge, he opened the world's ignorance, or removed the ignorance by using the Sanskritam.
Mahoday, I have a question.
Yep. Pritchett.
So in the beginning, when we did, oh my gosh, I don't know. It must be, would that be a Strilinga Padam, Agni Shalaka?
No, there is two kind of same kind of sloka. Other one is Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshumritamena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. It's not any guru.
Right. No. I'm just thinking about the word Jnana Shalakaya, because I remember Agni Shalakaya as being a matchstick. And here we are saying it's a brush.
Shalaka. This is Shalaka.
Yeah.
Agni Petika, Agni Shalaka is like it's a stick also, but it has other meaning also.
Okay. Mahoday, I have one more question from the previous previous class that we did. As I was reviewing it, there was when we were doing the Panchami Vibhakti, there was a combination where we were supposed to create a sentence with Netram and Ashruni, and I couldn't remember if we did it as Netrabhyam, right? We should be doing it as Netrabhyam Ashruni Patati, right? Because
let me open that.
I think it was slide 30.
Let us complete this Shubhashitam.
Okay.
Suprabhani Padita Vichativa. Suprabhani Astiva? Are you there? Astu. Kanashchaiva vidhyamartam cha sadhayet. Kshane nashte kuto vidya, kane nashte kuto dhanam. So one should learn every moment. Kshanam is every moment. Kshanam. And one should earn every money, every dollar, every bit. So kana, that's kana. So vidyam, artham. Vidyam is education, knowledge. Artham is wealth. Cha sadhayet. Kshane nashte kuto vidya. If you waste even a second, kshane nashte kuto vidya, where you will get the knowledge. So no knowledge can be gained. So kane nashte kuto dhanam. Even if you lose $1 by $1, and then you will not become wealthy. That's the meaning. So kshanasha kanashchaiva vidyamartam cha sadhayet. So one should learn every moment. So we should not waste every moment in learning. We should not waste single penny or dollar. So if we waste kane nashte kuto vidya, kutaha vidya, from where we will get knowledge? If we waste the time. Same way, if we waste the money, where will we get the money? When will we become wealthy? So that is the meaning of this one. Which one beginning?
When we did Panchami Vibhakti Mahoday, I think if you go to slide 29 or 30, I don't remember, around.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah. So that is the one, Mahoday, where we had the Netram and Ashruni. I couldn't remember. In my head for a second, I thought we did Netra Ashruni Patati, and then I said it should be Netrabhyam, right? Because 2 eyes.
That's correct. But here it is given all are in Ekavachani asti. Everything is in Ekavachanam. You can do Netrabhyam. You can say Astabhyam or Astaha Ramebhyaha Astebhyaha. So Netrebhyaha, so Netrabhyam. Netrebhyaha is Bhagavachanam. Normally we human beings have only 2 eyes, or any human other beings have 2 eyes, so we use netrabhyam. You can say netrat astruni patati. That's also correct.
Okay.
Because all are in ekavachanam.
Okay.
So adya nutana pataha shashti vibhaktihi trishu lingeshu. So far we learned up to Panchami. Now we do Shashti. Parabhayani Bhavati Paditiva? Rama, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman, like that.
Akarantaha, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Ramane, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramibhyah, Ramatu, Ramabhyam, Ramibhyah, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Harihi, Hari, Harayah, Harim, Hari, Harine, Harina, Haribhyam, Haribhihi, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyah, Harehe, Harehe, Haribhyam, Haribhyah, Hareha, Haryoha,
Haryoho,
Haryoho, Haryoho, Harinam. Haryoho. Harinam. Kaha,
you again, you leave this one because we have in other slide. Wait, 1 minute. I think I forgot to delete. We have that other in the slides. So this is not required. What is
Akarantaka, Ukarantaka, Guruhu, Guru, Goravaha, Gurum, Guru, Gurune, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhihi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurvaha,
Gurvoho,
Gurunam. Gurunam. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrune, Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhihi, Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyah, Pituhu, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyah, Pituhu, Pitroho, Pitrune, Pitrinam. Pitrinam. Phalam, Napumsakalingam, Akarandaga, Phalam, Phale, Phalani, Phalam, Phale, Phalani, Phalena, Phalabhyam, Phalehe,
Palaihi.
Sorry, Palaihi, Palaihi, Palena, Phalabhyam, Palaihi, Palaya, Phalabhyam, Palebhyah, Palatu, Phalabhyam, Palebhyah, Palasya, Palayoho, Palanam. Ikarantaka, Vari, Varini, Varini, Vari, Varini, Varini, Varina, Varibhyam, Varibhihi, Varine, Varibhyam, Varibhyah, Varinaha, Varibhyam, Varibhyah, Varinaha, Varino, Varinam. Shashti Napumsakalinge, Ukarantaka, Madhuhu, Madhuni, Madhu, Madhuni, 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 Madhuna, Madhubhyam, Madhubhihi, Madhune, Madhubhyam, Madhubhyah, Madhunaha, Madhubhyam, Madhubhyah, Madhunaha, Madhunam. Datru, Rikarantaka, Datru Shabdaha, Datru, Datruni, Datruni, Datru, Datruni, Datruni, Datra,
Datruni, Drew also
Datruni, Datra, Datrubhyam, Datrubhihi, Datre, Datrubhyam, Datrubhyah, Datuhu, Datrubhyam, Datrubhyah, Datuhu, Datroho, Datrunam. तद् एतद् शब्दः सः तौ ते तं तौ तान् तेन ताभ्यां तैः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषां एषः एतौ एते एतं एतौ एतान् एतेन एताभ्यां एतैः एतस्मै एताभ्यां एतेभ्यः एतस्मात् एताभ्यां एतेभ्यः एतस्य एतयोः एतेषाम् तद् एतद् शब्दः नपुंसकलिङ्गं तत् ते तानि तत् ते तानि तेन ताभ्यां तैः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषाम् एतत् एते एतानि एतत् एते एतानि एतेन एताभ्यां एतैः एतस्मै एताभ्यां एतेभ्यः एतस्मात् एताभ्यां एतेभ्यः एतस्य एतयोः एतेषाम् यद् शब्दः यः यौ ये यं यौ यान् येन याभ्यां यैः यस्मै याभ्यां येभ्यः यस्मात् याभ्यां येभ्यः यस्य ययोः येषां यत् ये यानि यत् ये यानि येन याभ्यां यैः यस्मै याभ्यां येभ्यः यस्मात् याभ्यां येभ्यः यस्य ययोः येषाम् किं शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गं नपुंसकलिङ्गं कः कौ के कं कौ कान् केन काभ्यां कैः कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्य कयोः केषां किं के कानि किं के कानि केन काभ्यां कैः कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्य कयोः केषाम्
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः। अस्तु, उत्तमं समीचीनं। सुब्रह्मण्य भवती पठति वा?
आं महोदय। अस्मत् शब्दः अहम् आवां वयं मां मा आवां नौ अस्मान् नः मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः मह्यं मे आवाभ्यां नौ अस्माभ्यां नः मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत् मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः
अस्मभ्यं अस्मभ्यां न अस्मभ्यं
युष्मत् शब्दः त्वं युवां यूयं त्वां त्वा युवां वां युष्मान् वः त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां युष्मभ्यं वः तत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत् तव ते युवयोः वां युष्माकं वः
तव तव ते तव न तव
तव
षष्ठी विभक्तिः स्त्रीलिङ्गम्
अकारान्तक स्त्रीलिङ्गं षष्ठी विभक्ति रमा रमे रमाः रमां रमे रमाः रमया रमाभ्यां रमाभिः रमायै रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः रमायाः रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः रमायाः रमयोः रमानाम् इकारान्तः मतिः मती मतयः मतिं मती मतीः मत्या मतिभ्यां मतिभिः मत्यै मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः मत्याः मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः मत्याः मत्योः मतीनाम् ईकारान्तः नदी नद्यौ नद्यः नदीं नद्यौ नदीः नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नद्याः नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नद्याः नद्योः नदीनाम् उकारान्तः धेनुः धेनु धेनवः धेनु धेनु धेनूः धेन्वा धेनुभ्यां धेनुभिः धेनवे धेनुभ्यां धेनुभ्यः धेन्वाः धेनुभ्यां धेनुभ्यः धेन्वाः धेन्वोः धेनूनाम् ऋकारान्तः मातृशब्दः माता मातरौ मातरः मातरं मातरौ मातृः मात्रा मातृभ्यां मातृभिः मात्रे मातृभ्यां मातृभ्यः मातुः मातृभ्यां मातृभ्यः मातुः मात्रोः मातॄणाम् तद् एतत् शब्दः स्त्रीलिङ्ग सा ते ताः तां ते ताः तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः तयोः तासाम् एषा एते एताः एताम् एते एताः एतया एताभ्याम् एताभिः एतस्यै एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः एतस्याः एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः एतस्याः एतयोः एतासाम् यत् शब्दः या ये याः यां ये याः यया याभ्यां याभिः यस्यै याभ्यां याभ्यः यस्याः याभ्यां याभ्यः यस्याः ययोः यासाम् किं शब्दः कां के का के काः कां के काः कया काभ्यां काभिः कस्यै काभ्यां काभ्यः कस्याः काभ्यां काभ्यः कस्याः कयोः कासाम्
धन्यवाद भगिनी बहु सम्यक् नमो नमः सुचिता भगिनी स्वागतम्
धन्यवादः महोदय I'm sorry still have cough and cold going on. I'm sorry to be late.
no चिन्ता मास्तु पठितुं शक्यते वा शक्नोति वा Can you read?
I'll try yeah niyamah sambandhah the response to whose ekavachanam of which bahuvachanam are usually his or their of them. This reply will be in Shashti Vibhakti. उपपद विभक्ति तुलना षष्ठी अथवा सप्तमी विभक्ति is used for words meaning tulana comparison. Among these पांडवानां धर्मराजः ज्येष्ठः बालिकानां सीता ज्येष्ठा. Between these पिक काकयोः षष्ठी द्विवचनम्. कः भेदः सीताराधयोः षष्ठी द्विवचनम्. का उन्नता.
सीताराधयोः का उन्नता अर्थः कः?
Who is better? Is
Better
it
than
Sita or Radha?
Unnata is unnatah, unnata, unnatam. So unnata is height, tall.
Height. Okay,
So,
tall. Okay.
Who is taller between Sita and Radha? Because the two is a between. So Pika Kakayoho. Pika is I think is a crane.
Okay.
Crane. Pika Kakayoho. So between crow and crane, what is the difference? Kaha Bedaha. So there Pandavanam Shashti Bahuvachanam. Pandavanam Dharmaraja Jeshtaha. Of all the Pandavas, Dharmaraja is the eldest. So Balikanam Sita Jeshta. So the Sita is eldest of all the girls. So Dharmaraja is the eldest of all the 5 Pancha Pandavas. Okay. So Shashti Bhaktihi. So what is the difference between Shashti Vibhakti and other Vibhaktis?
It is
There is no karanam. There is no relationship with the
between the
Kriyapadam and
yeah, correct. Good. It's not karam. It's the term is karaka.
karaka.
So other vibhaktis are karakam, which has direct relationship or influenced by the kriya padam. So kriyaya saha sambandha yasya asti saha or tat karakah. But Shashti Vibhakti will have relation with other Vibhakti, not with the kriya padam. So that's why Shashti Vibhakti is not a karakam. Patadu Bhagini.
उपपद विभक्तिः पुरतः पूर्वतः पृष्ठतः उपरि अधः वामतः दक्षिणतः सदृशः समः तुल्यः मन्दिरस्य पुरतः भक्ताः सन्ति वृक्षस्य अधः जनाः विश्राम्यन्ति पर्वतस्य उपरि मेघाः सन्ति गायत्र्याः सदृशः समः तुल्यः मंत्रः नास्ति देव्याः or rather you can use any one of these, right? गायत्र्याः सदृशः मंत्रः नास्ति और गायत्र्याः समः मंत्रः नास्ति और तुल्यः.
Samaha tulya means it's equal. You say samaha means so there is no mantra is equal to Gayatri mantra or tulya also same. Sadrushaha is also same, but it says there is no mantra like Gayatri mantra. So sadrushaha, tadrishaha, etadrishaha, so madrishaha, like that. So that when you see this tadrishaha, so tadrishaha, purushaha nasti means there is no man like him. So Ramaha sadrishaha no kopi nasti. So like Rama, no one is there. So like that's how it says. So you can use anyone.
Sadrusha, the word means like in person, kind of like, can be seen. Adrusha means, I thought it was that cannot be seen. Adrusha.
That is different. No, that is different. That is different. Okay. That is a Kriya Padam.
Okay.
Drishya is a Dhatu. Here it is Sadrushaha is like a, I would say a kind of Pratyaya. So this is Upapada Bhakti. So that Sadrushaha is like comparison, comparative to.
Okay. All right. Sorry. Divyaha Purataha Bhaktaha Santi. Devyaha Purataha Bhaktaha Santi. छायायाः अधः जनाः विश्राम्यन्ति बले सह भीमस्य तुल्यः बालिकायाः वामतः स्यूतः अस्ति गृहस्य पूर्वतः मन्दिरम् अस्ति शिक्षकस्य दक्षिणतः मानचित्रम् अस्ति बालकस्य वामतः स्यूतः अस्ति आत्मज्ञानस्य सदृशं ज्ञानं नास्ति शालायाः पूर्वतः मन्दिरम् अस्ति शिक्षिकायाः दक्षिणतः मानचित्रम् अस्ति नद्याः उपरि मेघाः सन्ति भक्तेः सदृशं ज्ञानं नास्ति
भक्तेः सदृशं ज्ञानं नास्ति पठतु
करोति करणं बालकः पुस्तकम् अधीते ई धातुः बालकः पुस्तकस्य अध्ययनं करोति.
So you can say balakah pustakam adite, meaning he is learning, studying or reading the book. So by that learning, by he gets knowledge. But you can also say using this Sashti Bhakti, balakah pustakasya adhyanam karoti. So you use karoti. Karoti is an action. And with that action, you use the Shashti Bhakti as pustakasya adhyanam. There is a kriya padam adite. That is actually atmanepadi. We will learn later. But adite, but dhatu he see dhatuhu. So you can say pustakam adite meaning. So he is reading a book or learning from the book, getting knowledge. You can also change the sentence using Shashti Bhakti. Balakah pustakasya adhyanam karoti.
मुनिः सत्यम् उपदिशति दिश मुनिः सत्यस्य उपदेशं करोति. This is easier, Shashti Vibhakti, right? Because then you have to remember. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
बालकाः फलं खादन्ति, बालकाः फलस्य खादनं कुर्वन्ति. कपिः वनं नाशयति, कपिः वनस्य
नाशं करोति.
नाशं करोति.
करोति. सम्यक् सम्यक्. श्रीलता भगिनी अग्रिमवाक्यं करोतु.
भवान् पुस्तकम् अन्वेषयतु. भवान् पुस्तकस्य अन्वेषणं करोतु.
करोतु. उत्तमम्. अपर्णा भगिनी कर्मकराः भवनं प्रक्षालयन्ति.
भवनं प्रक्षालयन्ति. कर्मकराः भवनस्य
सम्यक्.
प्रक्षालनं कुर्वन्ति.
कुर्वन्ति बहुवचने अस्ति. उत्तमं. कुर्वन्ति. अस्तु अस्तु. सुप्रिया भगिनी.
अर्चकः देवं पूजयति. अर्चकः देवस्य पूजा करोति.
देवस्य पूजां करोति.
पूजां करोति.
सम्यक्. सुचिता भगिनी.
दुष्टवानराः जलं दूषयन्ति. दुष्टवानराः जलस्य दूषितं कुर्वन्ति.
दूषितं कुर्वन्ति. सम्यक्. श्रीलता भगिनी भवती पठति वा?
आम् महोदय. अनन्तरं आफ्टर्, पूर्वं, बिफोर् च. अनन्तरं पूर्वं च. सः पुस्तकस्य कथायाः पठनस्य अनन्तरम् अभ्यासं करोति. Separate two actions being done in one sentence. सः पुस्तकं पठति, अनन्तरम् अभ्यासं करोति. So instead
so पठनम् एकं कार्यं. अभ्यासं द्वितीय कार्यं. So this we are mixing it or joining to using Shashti Vibhakti.
Okay. देवस्य देव्याः पूजनस्य अनन्तरं सः भोजनं करोति. मित्रं देवस्य देव्याः पूजनात् पूर्वं स्नाति.
You can say snati, snanam karoti.
Separate actions being done, two separate actions being done in one sentence. Saha devam. Mahoday, I'm a little confused. Why does it say devasya and devyaha?
You tell.
Mitram devasya pujanat karoti mitras. Okay, that would be.
So devasya, devaha,
Pullinga padam. And
Devi, Nadi, Nadya.
When Purvam is used, the Karma Padam gets Shashti Vibhakti and Bhavodyotaka Padam gets Panchami Vibhakti. Bhavodyotaka Padam. Okay.
Bhavadotyaka. So that which is indicating the mood, you can say.
Karmakari पात्रस्य और कूप्याः प्रक्षालनात् पूर्वं जलं पिबति.
कूप्याः पात्रस्य कूप्याः नद्याः कूप्याः पात्रस्य कूप्याः प्रक्षालनात्. So there we using so पूजनात् प्रक्षालनात्. So पूर्वं जलं पिबति. So we are using there panchami vibhakti प्रक्षालनात् पूजनात्. So when पूर्वं is used, the karma padam gets Shashti Vibhakti and Bhavadotaka padam gets Panchami Vibhakti. Here I'm not really sure how is Pujanat. Pujanat Puram. Pujanasya Puram is not correct. Devasya pujanat purvam. So before, after. So pujanat or kshalanat purvam param.
We did that in the Panchami Vibhakti, right?
Correct,
Purvam
correct.
param arabhya.
Yes, it's correct. Paddu.
Tad etad shashti vibhakti rupani pullinge. Sambandham of belonging to. Vasishtha tasya etasya guruhu. Vasishtha is Rama's guru. Vasishtha tesham etesham guruhu. Vasishtha is their guru.
Bahuvachan, yes.
Vasishtah kasya guruhu. Vasishtah tasya etasya Ramasya guruhu. Vasishtah kesham guruhu. Vasishtah tesham etesham Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugnam guruhu.
So Bahuvachane, Ekavachane. If you have to say in Dvachanam, how will you say? I will ask the question and I will answer.
Okay. Okay. Vasishtah kayoho guruhu.
Vasishtah kayoho guruhu. Vasishtah tayoho etayoho.
Lakshmanau guruhu.
Rama Lakshmana yoho.
Rama
Rama
Lakshmana
yoho.
yoho
Rama Bharata yoho.
guruhu.
Lakshmana Shatrugna yoho guruhu. Only two.
Okay. Yat shabdah shashti vibhakti rupani pullinge. Yasya yayoho yesham, of whom or whose. Vasishtah yasya guruhu asti saha Rama.
Rama.
Saha Rama, sorry. The person whose guru Vasishtha is, he is Rama. Vasishtah yesham guruhu asti te Ramah Lakshmanah Bharatah Shatrugnah cha. The people whose guru Vasishtha is, they are Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna.
Prathama vakyam karotu. Nakulaha saha.
Nakulaha saha Anujaha. Anujaha. Yeah, I think so.
So the middle column you have to change Shashti Vibhakti.
Okay. Nakulaha tasya Anujaha.
Tasya Anujaha samyak. Uttamam. Aparna Bhaini. Agrima vakyam karotu. Aham eshaha.
Aham Kesham
Eshaha. Ekavachane asti.
Okay.
So saha for saha is tad shabdah, correct? Saha taute tad shabdah. So saha Sridhar Bhagini uktavati tasya. So eshaha etad shabdah. Then etasya. Aham etasya.
Aham etasya karomi.
So you automatically pick that one. So aham uttam purushaha. So karomi.
Okay.
Anujaha is already done. And you have to see karomi karoshi. So karomi is the uttam purusha. Kriya padam. So aham etasya pujam karomi. Samyak. Suchita Bhagini.
Tvam kasya anukaranam karoshi.
Kasya anukaranam karoshi. Supriya Bhagini.
नायकः कस्य चित्रं स्वीकरोति सः दशरथः.
You use yaha also.
यस्य.
You can use based on the, if you use chatram swikaroti, chatram nayakah. So you use accordingly. So if you say chatram swikaroti saha dasharatah. So nayakah यस्य छत्रं स्वीकरोति सः दशरथः. No, this is a full sentence like that. If you यः यस्य छत्रं स्वीकरोति सः दशरथः. अस्तु. श्रीलता भगिनी अग्रिमवाक्यं करोतु.
सैनिकाः कस्याः धनं स्वीकुर्वन्ति सः नृपः.
किमर्थं कस्याः?
सैनिकाः is आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गम्.
आकारान्त न सैनिकः.
सैनिकाः. ओके, सैनिकः कस्यः धनं स्वीकुर्वन्ति.
एकनिमिषं. So the karta on this what Shashti Vibhakti will not that based that will not have this thing.
Okay.
You have to see kaha. You have to see the answer. See, like on the right side. So sainikaha will be there. So kasya or because you see dhanam. Dhanam is
money.
Napusakalingam. So Napusakalingam. So it's ekavachanam Napusakalingam. So kasya atava yasya you can use.
K, you can't use K.
Why? How? This is Shashti Vibhakti. You have to use Shashti Vibhakti. So, if you form the sentence, Sainikaha yasya dhanam swikurvanti saha nrupaha. Sainikaha kasya dhanam swikurvanti? Sainikaha nrupasya dhanam swikurvanti. So, Sainikaha yasya dhanam swikurvanti. The soldiers, the army people, whose money they are getting, he is Raja, he is a king. That's how he says. So Sainikaha yasya dhanam sikuranti saha nrupaha. That's what we say in the previous examples.
So
also
we are using nrupaha to determine the kaha, right, Mahoday?
No. So dhanam, you have to say yasya dhanam. See, correct. Okay, I'll explain. So dhanam is like there. What is dhanam is a karma padam. Okay. So sainikaha is a karta. So sikuranti. So whose money? We have to see whose money they are taking. So that we have to see. So nripaha tatra akaranta pullinga padam. So dasharataha akaranta pullinga padam. If for example instead of nripaha, if there is for example if Lakshmi, okay. So sainikaha yasyaha dhanam sikuranti sa Lakshmi. So nayakaha yasyaha chatram swikaroti sa Kaikeyi. So that this kaha yaha, whatever the Shashti Bhakti that follows the sambandha, which we are actually making the relation with whom. So that is if Napumsakalingam, that is Strilingam, that is Pullingam, that is Ekavachana, Bahuvachana, it will also change. Is this clear? It's confusing.
No, it is clear, Mahoday. So, but we are using Nrupaha, not Dhanam.
Not dhanam. Yeah, actually, dhanam is a karma padam. I was about to say that, but it's my mistake. I confused.
So we have to in a sentence we have to look at whose, and we have to determine whether it's a.
Where is the relation? Where is the relation? So Dasharataha, Nrupaha. So that is a relation.
Okay.
Astu. Apana bani vadi padhiva.
Sambandham of belonging to. Varishtaha tasya etasya. Vasishtaha, sorry. Vasishtaha tasya etasya guruhu.
Tasyaha etasyaha.
Vasishtaha tasyaha etasyaha guruhu. Vasishta is a guru. Vasishtaha tasam etasam guruhu. Vasishtaha is their guru. Vasishtaha kasya guruhu.
Kasyaha.
Vasishtaha kasyaha guruhu. Vasishtaha tasyaha etasyaha chatraya guruhu. Vasishtaha chatrayaha guru. Guruhu. Vasishtha kasam guruhu. Vasishtha tasam etasam chatranam guruhu. Gang,
Gangadasa.
Gangadasah yasyaha guruhu. Sa Lakshmi Bai, the person, Sa Lakshmi Bai. I'll repeat. Gangadasah yasyaha guruhu. Sa Lakshmi Bai. The person whose guru Gangadas is, she is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Gangadasah yasam guruhu asti te varin
Viranganaha.
Viranganaha. Gangadasah yasam guruhu asti. Gangadasah yasam guru asti. Guruhu asti te Gangananaha. The person whose guru Gangadas is, they are great women warriors.
Viranganaha. Viranganaha.
Viranganaha.
Mahoday.
Pritchadu Bhagini.
Gangadasah yasam guruhu asti. Is it
Guru
te or
asti.
taham, Mahoday? Taha Viranganaha, not?
Samyak. Yeah, that's a mistake.
Te is plural. Te is plural.
No, te is actually no yasam, because this is referring to Srilinga Padam. Sa te taha.
Taha Virangana.
That's correct. What Sridhar said, this is taha. I have to correct one more. Yes, no one picked. So Chatranam Natum. I think everyone forgot Natum tools. Okay, astu. Samyak. Appana Bani Bhavati Vartu Patam Vakyam.
Nayakah ya Prabhu Karoti.
So Sa Gita, Srilinga Padam. So Nayakah Chatram Srikaroti, Sa Gita. Whose Chatram?
Gita.
So you have to change the ya. Ya is Akaranta. Yad Shabda hai Akaranta. Yad Shabda hai Srilinga Padam. So what is the Shashti Vibhakti for ya?
Yasya. Yasyaha.
So Gangadasaka Yasyaha Guru. Whose Guru? Lakshmi Bai. So Lakshmi Bai's Guru is Gangadasaka. So Nayakaha Yasyaha Chatram Srikaroti Sa Gita. So Nayaka, whose Chatram is taking, that is Gita. You do the next one. Sainikaha.
Sainika actually is Strilinga, right?
No. Don't. Karta, you don't get confused with that. What is Srilingam, Pullingam,
Okay.
that doesn't matter. You have to see where is the link. So this is, the Ya is linked to Gita. The Gita is Srilinga Padam. The Ya is linked to Ragni, Srilinga Padam. So you see the previous one. So here, that's what we discussed, no? Dasharatha. This is related to Dasharatha. So Dasharatha is Akaranta Pullinga Padam. Then you use Kasya or Yasya. So Nripa is Raja. That's also Kasya Yasya. This is nothing to do. Same way, see here, if you see Vashishta Hava, otherwise Vishwamitra Hava, or you can say could be Kaikeyi, can be a guru also. Kaikeyiva, doesn't matter. Kaushalyava, it doesn't matter. Sita Kasyaha Guruhu. So that this is again Kasyaha. So you can say Sita Kasya Guruhu. Kasya Guruhu Sita Lavanasya Guruhu. So there Lavana is the Lavaha, Lavakushaha. Lavaha is the Pullinga Padam. So you have to use the Shashti Vibhakti also in Pullinga Padam. If it is etasyaha chatranam chitatra, so chatra is Strilinga Padam. So kasam is Bahuvachanam, Shashti Vibhakti. So same way, sainikaha. So that sainikaha, where it will impact, if you use sainikaha, so for first sentence, nayakaha ekavachane asti. So svi karoti. So sainikaha bahuvachane asti. That's why svi kurvanti. So that because kriya padam sada karta kartrupadam anusarati. So this because sainikaha is in bahuvachanam, svi kurvanti. Nayakaha in ekavachanam, svi karoti. So that does not have impact on this converting into Shashti Bhakti. This will have impact. This Ya is directly related to Ragni. Ya is directly to Gita. So Sainikaha yasyaha dhanam sikuranti sa Ragni. If there is this, for example, Gita is there. Gita Bahuvachanam. So Nayakaha Yasam chatram svikaroti taha gitaha. Okay. Nayakaha yayoho chatram svikaroti te gite. Gite divachanam. So Nayakaha yayoho chatram svikaroti te gite. Nayakaha yasyaha chatram svikaroti sa gita. Nayakaha Yasam chatram svikaroti aha gitaha. Okay. अस्तु धन्यवादः. सुप्रिया भगिनी भवती पठतु. एकं निमिषं. सुचिता भगिनी प्रश्नः अस्ति वा?
So can we say that in Shashti Vibhakti the karta is not to be looked at? Is that what it is like for all?
No. See, here karta also, see, Gita also is a karta, right? We are actually indicating, this is how you have to linking the Shashti Vibhakti with the, here this is like Nama Padam. So there are two. So Nayakaha is doing the action. But Nayakaha yasyaha chatram svikaroti, we are linking to Gita. That chatram is belongs to Gita. Okay. So Nayakaha, I am actually taking the book from you. Whose book it is? So it is you. So aham yasyaha pustakam svikaromi sa sucheta. So we are linking actually. Shashti Vibhakti is not only karta, it can be with the other also, except kriya padam, it can relate to other.
So we basically start from the object, isn't it? In a sentence, we have a subject and object. We start from the
object. No object. You have to link. So that's why in this rule, what the rule says, sambandham. So of belonging to. So the chatram belonging to whom? It belongs to Gita. It belongs to Dasharatha. Okay. So in a sentence, we have two Namapadam. One is Nayakaha, other one is Dasharatha. Nayakaha, other one is Gita. Srilata Bani, Prashna अस्ति वा?
Mohoday. So when, if say for example, if I'm asking a question, can I just, and I don't know the answer to it, can I assume Pullingam in that case?
Which one can you explain?
Okay. So if I'm asking whose book it is, book, so should I base it on the book? Iti kasya pustakam?
You can ask kasya pustakam, yes. If you don't know,
okay,
who is it is, but if you are sitting in front of, I'm sitting in front of different people like Mahilaha Santi, Purushaha Santi. So then normally I ask kasya pustakam, kasyaha pustakam. You can use both, kasya atwa kasyaha.
Okay.
You can use both if you don't know. But only if the only boys are there, you can use kasya. If only girls are there, kasyaha. If you mix, either you can ask kasya pustakam, no problem. That's not wrong sentence wise, but contextually, so you see there are both gender are there. You can use kasya, kasyaha,
Okay.
both. का पठति सुप्रिया भगिनी वा?
हाँ महोदय। तद् एतत् षष्टिविभक्तिरूपाणि नपुंसकलिङ्गे सम्बन्धम् of belonging to. सेविका तस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति. The servant does its cleaning. सेविका तेषां प्रक्षालनं करोति. The servant does the cleaning of those items. सेविका कस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति? सेविका तस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका एतस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका पात्रस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका केषां प्रक्षालनं करोति? सेविका तेषां प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका एतेषां प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका पात्राणां प्रक्षालनं करोति.
पात्राणां. So सेविका पात्रस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति. So you can say तस्य. प्रथमवाक्यं करोतु.
नृपः तस्य अन्वेषणं करोतु.
करोतु वा?
करोति.
Now you have to choose different answer.
Okay. नृपः तस्याः.
तस्याः. Tasya will not change. Tasya only. You have to, and the answer last right column.
Okay. Yeah.
You have to choose the right one.
नृपः.
So karotu, when it will come, karotu, it is like when I talk directly to you.
Bhavan
bhavati.
Bhavati.
Correct. So
नृपः तस्य निर्माणं करोति.
निर्माणं करोति. पालनं करोति. तस्य आरोग्यम् इच्छति. Can use anything.
भवान्
करोतु.
एतस्य अन्वेषणं करोतु. लेपकः.
So lepakaha will be appropriate for using nirmanam because lepakaha is the yes.
No, mason.
Mason. Yeah, correct. Lepakaha etasya nirmanam karoti.
चिकित्साः.
Chikitsakah, the doctor. Kasya arogyam ichchati. You can see. Okay, so nripaha palanam karoti. Nripaha is king, so he is protecting.
पालनं. भवान् अन्वेषणं. लेपकः निर्माणं. चिकित्सकः आरोग्यम्.
पठतु.
यत् शब्द षष्टि विभक्तिरूपाणि नपुंसकलिङ्गे यस्य ययोः येषां of whom whose which. सेविका यस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति तत् पात्रम्. The object whose cleaning is done by the servant is a vessel. सेविका येषां प्रक्षालनं करोति तानि पात्राणि. The objects whose cleaning is done by the servant is a vessel. Mahodaya, vessels
are vessels.
तानि पात्राणि.
Samik, are vessels. धन्यवादः. सुप्रिया करोतु प्रथमवाक्यं.
He whose mother is Parvati is Ganesha.
So Ganesha, okay, how you have to do? Ganesha pullinga padam va, shikha padam va?
Ganesha pullingam. Sa Ganesha.
एक निमिषं. So pullinga padam. Ekavachanam va, bahuvachanam va, dvivachanam va?
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. Now first you have to start with the yad shabda. What is yad shabda for pullinga ekavachanam?
Yaha.
Esya
Ganesha.
Not Esya Ganesha. So Ganesha is the answer. You have to link. So you have to start with Esya. whose mother is Parvati, he is Ganesha. So Ganesha pullinga ekavachanam. So Shashti Vibhakti yad shabdah yasya mata. Yasya mata Parvati
Parvati sa
Saha
Ganesha.
Saha Ganesha.
Saha Ganesha.
Ganesha. Okay. Yasya mata Parvati Saha Ganesha. So Parvati yasya janani asti Saha Ganesha. Okay. Bhavati eva karotu. Whose name is Krishna? I worship him. So I worship him. First you have to say hi. Okay. I. So this is I worship him. So what is the I worship him? I worship. What is I worship? How you translate to Sanskritam?
I Shashti Vibhakti.
No.
Aham.
Don't change. You should not change that one. This you should not change. I Ganesha. You should not change the Shashti Vibhakti.
Aham.
I worship him. Aham namami. Okay.
Puja.
Yasya aham namami. Yasya aham namami.
Okay. Vadatu.
Saha Krishna.
Saha nama Krishnaha.
Yes. Yasya. See, yasya nama Krishnaha asti tam namami. So tam is so namami aham. If you don't say, it's okay because you say namami. So tam is saha taute tam. So Ditya Bhakti. There Krishna is the karma padam. So you can say tam namami as Krishnam namami. Yasya nama Krishna asti Krishnam namaham Krishnam namami. Aham tam namami. Okay.
Can we say this way? Yasya aham namami. Tam Krishnaha.
No, yasya aham namami. So yasya aham namami. So yasya nama, whose name?
Okay.
Okay. The one who I pray, one who I worship. If you change the sentence, who I worship is Krishna.
Name is Krishna.
Don't leave the name. So who or whom I worship is Krishna. So is Ganesha like is Krishna. So Saha Krishna. So the answer is Saha Krishna. So there it will not be so who I worship. So yasya pujam aham karomi. Saha Krishna. So
but in the sentence, he whose name is Krishna, it is given.
That's why I changed. You said no.
Okay.
You change that one. So for that, the English sentence should also be changed.
Okay.
So whose name is Krishna? Yasya nama Krishna hai. So tasya pujam karomi. You can say yasya nama Krishna hai. Tasya pujam karomi. I'll do his puja. You can say this is I worship him. So yasya nama Krishna hai. Aham tam namami. Aham Krishnam namami. Suchita Bani, Prashna asti va?
So can we say aham yasya namami saha Krishnaha?
Yes, that's why I said no. Aham yasya pujam karomi, aham yasya namami, saha Krishnaha. One who I pray, one who I do puja, worship, he is Krishna. Aham yasya namami, saha Shivaha. Aham yasyaha namami, sa Parvati. You can say, but in the sentence, we are changing from what is given in English. Whose name is Krishna? Yasya nama Krishna hai. I worship him. Tam nama aham Krishnam namami aham tam nama. So based on the sentence, you have to change the Sanskritam vakyam. Kaha karoti? Apana bhagini bhavati karoti. He whose wife is Sita is Rama.
Yasya wife, I don't know. Yasya
Patni.
Patni. Yasya Patni Sita.
Sita asti.
Sita asti. Saha Rama.
Ramaha.
Ramaha. Saha Ramaha.
Yes. Yasya patni Sita asti. Saha Ramaha. Bhutam. Sridhata Bhagini. Same.
His name is Shiva. I worship him. Yasya nama Shivaha asti tam namami.
Tam namami. Do the next one also.
that which I'm searching for is a rare book. Rare.
You can say Viralaha.
What, Mahoday?
Viralam. It's
Okay.
rare. Or you say it's a book. You
Book.
just see first it's a book.
Okay.
You form a sentence. So searching is Anveshanam.
Aham kasya anveshanam karomi.
No, use yasya only.
Yes,
because you are having the
okay.
answer also.
Okay. Aham yasya anveshanam karomi tat pustakam.
Tat pustakam. So aham yasya anveshanam karomi tat durlabam or viralam pustakam. So viralaha is rare. So viralaha pullinge and virala strilinge. Viralam, now because we are using pustakam, so napumsakalingam. So viralam. So what is pustakam? Pustakam is visheshyam. Viralam is visheshanam. So this is now this is adjective. Viralam is adjective. Suchita Bani Vati Karutu.
Whose vegetables prices are high, don't buy those.
So price is mulyam. So don't buy means buy. What is buy? If we krinati, but if we directly says krinatu. So don't means don't. You can use don't means ma karotu, ma pibatu. So ma krinatu.
Okay. So should I use yesham because it's vegetables? Or no?
Vegetables. No, see prices are correct. You ought to use prices are yesham. Vegetable is Napusakalingam. Shakam, Shakani.
So
okay, you can use both either singular, you can say price, you can say price, or you can prices.
Price is what? What is the word for price?
Mulyam.
Yasya vegetables. Yasya mulyam upari asti. Adhikam asti. Tasya vegetables again, I forgot. Shaka nam, right? Shaka nam.
Tani. So because Tani, you should say Tani because
Tani Shaka.
Ma krinatu.
Tani ma krinatu. So yasya shakan. Yeah.
Because it's as you said rightly in the first, is a plural. Bahuvachani asti. Yesham mulyam adhikani santi. Tat tani shakani ma krinatu. You can use. I have to see the answer. Let me see. Yesham shakanam. Okay. Samyak. Shakan. Shakanam is you have to use the because mulyam is the word. Then shakanam is the shashti vibhakti of mulyam. So shakanam mulyam adhikam asti tani ma krinatu. So that is only the small change. So yesham mulyam adhikam asti tani shakani ma krinatu. You can say some if you don't use shakanam here because yesham mulyam adhikam asti tani shakani ma krinatu. You can say like that way also. So ma okay, it's already given. Ma is don't. कस्य क्रमः अपर्णा भगिनी वा?
Yasya.
No, she whose husband is Vishnu. It's Devi Lakshmi. So your Devi Lakshmi is
Yasyaha patihi Vishnu asti tasya Devi Lakshmi.
Not tasya.
Sa Devi Lakshmi.
Right. You're saying whose husband is Vishnu? She is. It's not her. You are not saying like that. So she whose husband is Vishnu, she is. So yasyaha patihi Vishnu asti sa Devi Lakshmi. Supriya Bhini.
Yasyaha.
Karotu. अपरमणि भवत्यो करोतु.
यस्याः नाम सरस्वती अहं तस्य नमामि.
No, don't use tasya there.
Tam namami. Tam. Okay. Tam namami.
You have to tell. Tam is lingam kim? Tam.
Okay.
Pullingam. Tam.
Tam.
Sa te taha, tam te taha.
Tam namami.
Here I worship her. So tam namami. Saraswatim namami. Yasyaha nam Saraswati. Aham tam namami. Saraswatim namami. Tam namami. Astu. Supriya Beni.
She whose pen fell is Kamala. Yasyaha lekani patati. Apatat. Sa Kamala.
Sa Kamala. So patita asti, you can say patita asti, or you can say apatat. Yasyaha lekani apatat, sa Kamala. Yasyaha lekani patita asti, sa Kamala. Suchita Bhagini.
Mahodaya, it's like is, whenever is come, asti is mandatory in all the sentences, or it's just like...
You can say, you can't also, don't say. See, that is actually indirect. See, for in this sentence, you don't say aham tam namami. Aham because namami is there, so it's understood. We call it adhyahridam. It's indirect. It's implied. So if yasyaha nama Saraswati, you stop there. Asti is implied there because it's ekavachanam. Okay, but in English only we have to put is, was, and all. If you don't put it in Sanskrit, if you don't put it asti, it's still implied. Okay. This is Rama. You read as Rama.
Rama. Yasyaha karma samyak asti sa Rama.
Yasyaha karyam also.
Karyam.
Karma or karyam, what is the difference between karma and karyam?
Karma we use in very spiritual level, high level. Okay. Karyam is normal, any work.
Okay.
Srilata Bhaini.
That which I am searching for is a rare poet.
You get only this kind of sentence.
Viralam poetry. Poetry is...
You can say kavyam. Yes, kavyam, correct.
Okay.
Kavyam napumsakalingam.
Padam. Okay. Kasya aham anveshayati.
Yasya.
Sorry. Yasya aham anveshanam karoti.
Anveshanam karoti atava karoti karanam used, right?
Anveshayati.
Aham
Anveshayami tat viralam kavyam.
Okay. Yasya anveshanam aham karomi anveshayami tat viralam kavyam. Sa durlabha kavya kata. Okay, if you use kata is Srilinga padam. If you use kavyam, stop there. Kavyam is napumsakalinga padam. What you said is also correct. So yasyaha, because yasyaha kavya kata means is yasyaha. If you use kavyam, so yasya anveshanam karomi, yasya anveshayami tad viralam kavyam. Yasyaha anveshanam karomi sa durlabha virala kavya kata. Okay. कस्य क्रमः अपना भगिनी ट्राई करोतु.
यस्या
So sarees prices are high. So again, it's last Suchita Bhain did. So prices moolyam. Sarees bahuvachanam. Again, bahuvachanam. So don't buy those. Okay. Ma krinatu. So sarees ekavachane shatika.
Shatikaha. Yasya shatikaha moolam adhikam.
Bahuvachanam. Yasyaha bahuvachanam kim? Bahuvachanam. Yes, yasam.
So it's a good revision of all what we did earlier, but I forgot. Yeah,
So
Sham.
here is Bahuvachan. The sentence is in plural, correct? So all these sentences are is Vishnu, is
Singular.
Saraswati, is good, I am searching. So all in Ekavachan. So you use Yasya or whatever Yasya, whatever. Here is sarees prices are high. So Bahuvachan. So Shatika, Yasam Shatikanam
Mulyam
Adhikam.
Mulyam prices will be
Because Mulyani, you say Mulyani.
Mulyani
Adhikani Santi. Tani Nad. Taha, because Sharis. Taha Ma Krinatu. So everything, because lingam should be same, because this is don't buy those. What? Saris is pulling up Srilinga padam. So Yasam Shatikanam Mulyani Adhikam Asanti. Taha Shatikaha Ma Krinatu. So Yasam Shatikanam Mulyam Adhikam or Mulyani Adhikani Santi. Taha Shatikaha Ma Krinatu. Okay, don't buy. That's two. सुचिता बहनी भवती पठतु।
अस्मत् शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति रूपाणि मम आवयोः अस्माकं my mine of me एतत् मम सङ्गणकं this is my computer नरेन्द्र मोदी महोदयः अस्माकं देशस्य प्रधानमन्त्री नरेन्द्र मोदी is our country's prime minister Mama avayo asmakam.
Sorry.
No, I was just repeating in my mind and I said it aloud. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. So Yushmat Shabdah Shashti Vibhakti Rupani. Tava Yuvayoho Yushmakam. Yours of you. Etat Tava Sanganakam. This is your computer. Etat Yushmakam Sanganakam. This is your, many of you, computer. Shamavarnam aham
either use aham use no tom. So this one you have to change to Shashti Vibhakti.
Okay, no, but this is I'll use the aham because that makes sense also to me. Shamavarnam aham janani asti.
Now you have to change this aham
tom
into
you have to
Shashti
change.
Vibhakti.
Oh, Tani Jananya.
Aham asma shabda bagini asma shabda Shashti Vibhakti rupani kim? This is my computer. Etat Mama
Sanganakam.
This is our computer. Etat Asmakam Sanganakam. So for Asma Shabda, Asma Shabda is Aham. Avam Vayam. So that is Prathama Vibhakti. So Shashti Vibhakti Rupani Kani Mama Avabhyam
Okay.
Asmakam. Okay. Mama me Avabhyam now Asmakam Naha. So Asmakam or Mama. Tvam is Tava Yuvabhyam Yushmakam. So just now you saw, right? See now see Yushmakam Sanganakam, your Tava Sanganakam is your. Okay, this is Shashti Vibhakti. Mama Sanganakam Asmakam. Okay, now you have to change this. You can use anything. So Shama Varnam Mama Upanetram. My color of my spectacles or glasses are Shama
Varnam. Okay.
Black color or whatever.
Asmakam.
Okay, you do the next one also. Sanskritam.
Mama Matrubhasha.
Matrubhasha. Sanskritam. Mama Asmakam Matrubhasha. Or Tava Matrubhasha or Yushmakam Matrubhasha. You can say it that way.
Okay, Yushmakam Matrubhasha.
You can use this. That's okay. It's for practice. Okay. Suprabhani. Agrima Vakyam Karutu.
सा मम कारयानं
Karayanam lingam kim?
नपुंसकलिङ्गम्.
But sa is
Okay. Janani, your Matrubhasha will come.
yeah, you can use so. So sa mama janani. Sa tava janani. Sa, if you have brothers and sisters, sa you can tell sa asmakam janani. Sa yushmakam janani. Okay. Astu. हाँ अपना बहनी रक्तवर्णः
रक्तवर्णः मम कारयानं रक्तवर्ण मम
सम्यक् करोतु मम कारयानं my car is red color so mama karayanam you can see mama karayanam because my car is red color so mama karayanam raktavarnah asti okay Shrita Bhagini Bhavanani
भवनानि उन्नतानि अस्माकं भवनानि अस्माकं उन्नतानि
अस्माकं भवनानि उन्नतानि okay so asmakam karayanam okay so if I say this as a visheshanam then asmakam or mama karayanam raktavarnam so okay you have to change that one also raktavarnam so mama karayanam raktavarnam my car is red color so we have 4 minutes can you do katha quickly because it's been a long time we didn't do katha it's a bit bigger one bit longer let us quickly do Shrita Bhagini bhavati padati va
महोदय मातृदेवो भव कस्मिंश्चित् नगरे राघवः नाम कश्चित् पुरुषः आसीत् तस्य मातुः जन्मदिनम् आगतम् जन्मदिनार्थं मात्रे पुष्पगुच्छं दातुम् इष्टवान् राघवः माता तु
so sorry everyone understand or you want to do the
I can start
translation
so there is a person called Raghava in a city. His mom's birthday is coming up and he wants to give her a bouquet of flowers.
Correct. Ishtavan
Mata tu anyasmin nagare vasati sma. His mom lives in a different city. Dvishata maila dure, so dvishata 200 miles.
Dishata. Swatam is 100. Dishata 200.
200 miles. Isn't it Dvi Mahadev?
Dishatam.
Oh, Dvishatam. Okay. Tasmat patralayadvara pushpagucham preshayatum nishchitavan. Patralayam is?
By post. You want to so therefore, because it's far away, so tasmat karanat, because of that, patralayadvara, through post, pushpagucham bouquet, he wants to say, he decided to send through post.
Karayanena pushpapanam gatavan. So he went to the flower shop.
Pushpapanam.
By car. Yada karayanat nirgatavan tada saha apanat bahihi ekam rudati balikam drishtavan. So when he goes by car, outside the store. No.
Yada when karayanat nirgatavan, when he
steps out of the car.
Yes, he disembarked from the car, he got down from the car, tada saha apanat bahihi. So you have to please note apanat panchami. Bahihi upapada vibhakta. When you say bahihi apanat, so bahihi apanat bahihi ekam rudati balikam drishtavan. He saw one crying girl.
Prushtavancha kimartham rodati iti. So he asked, roditi iti. So he asked the girl, why are you crying?
Crying.
Balika uktavati. Adya mama matuh janmadinam asti. She says, today is my mother's birthday. Tasyai pushpani kretum mama samipe dhanam nasti iti. So for her, I'm to buy the flowers. I do not have money.
Money, correct.
Raghavah anukampya uktavan. Rodanam makar.
Anukampaya, with what you call compassion.
Uktavan, he says, Rodanam makuru, don't cry. Aham bhavatyai pushpani krinami. I will buy flowers for you.
Correct.
Iti. Apanam gatva swasya krute balikayai cha pushpani kritavan Raghavah.
So, apanam gatva, having gone to the shop, sasya krite, for himself, balikayai, for the girl. So, that's two. For him, for the girl. Pushpani kritavan Raghavah.
Okay. Balika ativa santushta. The girl is very happy. Apanat nirgamana samaye Raghavah uktavan. Bhavatyaha gruham kutra. So when he is ready to leave the shop, Raghava asks, where is your home? Aham bhavati gruham prati nayami iti. I am going towards your house.
No, I will bhavati griham prati nayami. Nayami means I will take you.
Oh, I
take you to your house.
Okay.
Like kind of I will drop you.
Okay.
To be simple.
Balika uktavati. Krupaya mama matuhu samipam nayatu. So she says, please drop me at my mother's house.
Take me towards my close to my mother.
Tasyaha prarthanam angikritya karayanena balikam nitavan. So listening to her.
Agreed to what she said, and then she took her by car.
Balika ekasya mandirasya sanketam datva tatra netum prarthitavati.
Sangetam. She indicated. So ekasya mandirasya sangetam. She showed one temple. So she requested him to take there. She showed, so there's a temple. Can you take me there?
Mandiram kimartham iti prishtavan Raghavah. So why temple? He asks. Balika uktavati. Mama mata devasya samipam gatavati. Devaya pushpani dadami chet devaha matre dasyati iti. So she says,
Mama mata devasya samip. So mother is no more. The mother is already reached God. So samipam gatavati. Devaya pushpani dadami chet. If I give the flowers to the God, devaha matre. So matre. Chaturthi bhakti. Mata, mataro, mataraha. So matre. Ekavachanam. Devaha matre dasyati. So again dasyati, da dhatuhu, dasyati, dana kriya. When dana kriya is there, the person receiving will be in Chaturthi bhakti. Always remember, you have to remember that. Okay. So dadami. Dadami dana kriya. So devaya, Chaturthi bhakti. Devaha, devaya. Devaya pushpani dadami chet. If I give flowers to the God, devaha matre dasi. So God will give the flower to my mother. Like he will pass on to my mother, where she is in the maybe Swargaloka.
Raghavah shoka vihvalam jataha.
Vihvalaha jataha. You become very sad or like after hearing this.
Tam balikam mandire prapya chintatavan. Chintitavan. Esha balika
ajivitayai. So ajivitayai matre api sakshat pushpani datum prayatnam karoti. So her mother is no more. For the passed away mother, she wants to give flower directly to a mother who has already passed away. So Yesha Balika, this girl, ajivitaye matre, the passed away mother, Api also, even though mother is passed away, she wants to give the flowers to her mother on her birthday. अहं तु जीविताय मात्रे पत्रालयद्वारा पुष्पगुच्छं प्रेषयामि चेत् पर्याप्तमिति चिन्तितवान्. He thinks now he realizes. So the mother's passed away. The girl wants to give the mother the gift directly to the mother, but my mother is alive. I am sending this through post.
अहो अहं दुष्टः
What is prapaya?
Paryaptam. She says, aham
Prapaya.
tu जीविताय मात्रे पत्र द्वारा पुष्पगुच्छं प्रेषयामि चेत् पर्याप्तम. I thought that sending through post is enough. Paryaptam means sufficient, enough. I thought my mother is alive, but I'm sending the gift through post is enough. This gesture is enough. But the girl is sending directly to her mother. If she wants to give directly to her mother, who is no more.
Mahoday, mandire prapaya chintitvan. What does that mean? Prapaya chintitvan.
Mandire prapaya chintitavan. Balika mandire prapaya. He left her in the temple, and then he started thinking. Tam balika mandire prapaya. So chintitavan. He started realizing. Okay, Esha balika ajivitaye matre api sakshat pushpani datum prayatnam karoti. She's trying to give directly, but my mother is alive, but I am sending through. That is enough. I think that is enough. Agre patadu bhai.
Oh, aham dushtaha iti. He says he thinks he's bad. Avam evam chintayan Raghavah dvishatamayla कारयानेन प्रयाणं कृत्वा साक्षात् मात्रा सह मिलित्वा स्वयं पुष्पाणि तस्यै दत्तवान्.
So after evan chintayan, so thinking like that, Raghava dishat mile karayane prayanam krutva. So he traveled 200 miles, and then sakshat directly matra saha militva. He met mother, and swayam pushpani tasya dattavam.
नीतिः मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव
अतिथि देवो भव. सम्यक् बहु उत्तमम्. धन्यवादः. Instruction. There is some issue with my sharing. Astu.
Should I do the Mangala Shlokam, Mahoday?
Amam karotu.
Okay. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve
Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit
Dukha
Bhav Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti.